Alright guys, let's tear down some Model T blocks. I've got a ton of them, over 20 of them at least. Some of them more complete than others. These ones are some of the more scantily clad ones. And some of them are just damaged. Gonna salvage whatever I can and put it into storage and then scrap the rest. Here's what I got out of tearing apart those engines. 4 blocks. One of them is getting ready to be shipped. So I got 4 blocks. Got a couple of these covers. Got a valve cover over there. Things are scattered all about. I went and got this because I have an idea. I've got 2 crankshafts in there and 3 camshafts. One of them is a straight gear camshaft, and I thought I had a crankshaft for the straight one. I got a bunch of pistons. Most of them broke getting them out because I had to pound on them so much. All kinds of springs and valves. A lot of bad valves here, but a couple that might be worth saving. I got these jackets here for the cam. I don't know. I mean, I suppose they're usable, but you probably need to redo the babbitt in it. And what else did I get? Well, that's pretty much it, just the internals, but wanted to show you something that's pretty cool here. Is this engine block is, if you can see the number there, it is 1 Let me see if I can get a better view of it for you. 132618. It is a block from about 1911 to 1912. That might look like a number to you, but I guarantee you it is not. I can tell because of the design of the engine. This is an older one. If it were a 13 million block, it would look totally different. This is what the straight geared cam came off of, and it's in pretty good shape. Oop, if I don't break it. You can tell just by looking inside. The cylinders project. The cylinders are separated there. In the front, that housing is rounded, whereas, for example, on this one, it's not. So yeah, it's definitely a very early block. So that was probably the coolest thing. I honestly didn't even realize as I was taking things apart. Before I started taking these apart, I didn't know much of anything about Model T engines. Now I know a heck of a lot more. Still no expert, but definitely learned a lot. So yeah, there's just a little video for you tearing all this down. And if you need any Model T engine blocks, let me know.